The mission of AquaRealTime is to enable water asset stakeholders to make sound management decisions about their waterways. Right now, there's a lot of locations of water, lakes, rivers, reservoirs. There's so many of them and there's so much pollution happening in these places. You can't keep track of them by just having people go out and check and take samples. It's just way too big of a problem. There's way too many locations. The key is that if you can detect the problem early enough, if you can detect it when it's at a 1 out of 10, let's say that you have to close the beach at 6 out of 10, you can then take measures. You can treat the water, you can do various things, but you can catch it early and then cut it down. Maybe it only reaches a peak of 3. So what we do is provide products that allow them to have data coming in from the field. So we have sensors that sit in the water permanently, and they can be deployed at large scale, so many locations at a much lower cost than having to go out and sample. So they can keep track of vast water assets, lakes, rivers, coastlines, without having to go out and be there.
AquaRealTime provide a dashboard, which is very easy to use for drinking water utility managers. They look at dashboard, they can tell whether the algae bloom is happening or not. But also, we send alerts. So if something happens, they will receive an email. So the stakeholders can use that data to make decisions.
With our main flagship product, the AlgaeTracker, we ship it completely pre-assembled, which is a first in the industry. Just take it out of the box, place it in the waterway. It's a 30-minute installation. Once they press the power button, it automatically starts taking measurements of 6 key water parameters, streams them to the cloud every 2 hours, and they will be able to see that within 5 minutes in their web dashboard and start analyzing the data and making decisions. For me, environmental problems are kind of what I've always cared about the most. And that comes from being an outdoors person, knowing that we're part of the solution, not part of the problem, that we're creating things that help these waterways stay clean or get clean. That's really meaningful to us.